The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining this morning to the ProPartner Briefing 2023. My name is Dorit, the Partner Account Manager for Med Countries, and I will talk to you this morning about some changes in our ProPartner program, about a price increase, a competency program that was changed, Veeam Unified Directory, the certification structure that has been changed, and Q1 promotions and incentives, and to tell you about upcoming partner events. Let's start with the ProPartner program changes. We hear a lot from the partners from the field, what is good, what is need to be improved, and this year we decided to change a few things. First, we decided to simplify the VAR compliance for gold partners to become gold partners. As you remember, we have two options to become gold partners. One is the business plan one is to achieve at least $25K US dollars semi-annual per 2 quarters, or the other business plan is to achieve 10K with at least 5 orders. This is more for SMB partners. This year we also count the net to Veeam. This revenue is net to Veeam and not MSRP as it used to be last year. So we really encourage partners to become gold. This program actually is open to, we accelerate to gold program. There is another program to accelerate all silver partners to become gold. And how it works. First, you need to remain silver within the 6 months period. Second, we give you competencies. One is certifications. If we measure a year versus last year, H1 versus H1, for example, if your company had like 10 certifications and this half, comparing to last year, you have 12, then you get $200. It means $100 per certification. Another competency is the number of deals. If last year you had, for example, 5 deals and this year you have 6 deals, then the incremental order will get $100. You will get it as a rebate. I will show you in the next slide how you can see how it's calculated. The threshold is minimum 200 to be earned. $200. For example, if your company achieves only one incremental certification, which is $100, you cannot get anything. It should be at least 2 certifications or 1 certification and the incremental deal. And the maximum is $4,000 to be earned. Tracking and tools. You can track your, as you remember, we had the points program last year. Now you can see it as dollars. I will show in the next slide how you see it. We simplify the interface in the portal, and it's very easy to see where you stand in any minute. And this promotes only to silver partners. This is how you can see your status in every minute in the portal. It's up to date. You go to the portal, then you go to VAR program enhancement, and you see how much rebate you earned. Then in the end of the half, you can redeem these earned dollars and get it as rebate through the distributor. And how you see it, you can see the certifications and the number of deals that we count. You can see what you did in the previous period. In this example, this company had 4 certifications last year. This year they did 13, so the incremental is 9 certification, which is $900 to get. The number of deals, this company did last year 6 deals in this period. The current is 3. Then they didn't get any rebate for this number of deals. In the portal, you can have some simulations. You can put some numbers and see what your company needs to get this rebate. The registration threshold. We updated for you the threshold of the deregistration. As you remember, the threshold was 6,500 euros. And starting 1st of January, it is now only 5,000 euros MSRP. So we encourage you to put some deregistration as much as you can. You go to a customer, you have a new opportunity, please raise a deregistration. We simplify the form. It will be very easy and short. And we open this hub, the deregistration, also for cloud, for VCSPs. So you will hear more about this in this quarter. We made the deregistration process very fast, so you will get the approval or decline very, very fast. Price increase in 2023. As you all know, we are going to launch the V12 version in 14th of February. This version, the V12, we worked a lot on it, and it had a lot of features. So this is the time to get the price update. There will be an increase starting February 1st. As you can see in this table, it will be about 5% increase, in some cases 7% and 9% for the perpetual. There will be a price increase for VCSPs as well. The VCSP will have about 6% increase, but partners who have already VRAs, a contract, of course, the prices will remain the same until the contract ends. So we will prepare new contracts with new prices for you. Also, we added additional commitment tiers of 35,000 and 75,000 points for the ones who is relevant. We have more tiers. Competency program for this year. Veeam decided and saw that it's very, very important for partners and also for customers to be specialized. So we have competencies for VCSPs. We have the competencies for the VARs, the resellers, and we will now have a partnership between VCSPs and VARs. So partners who are resellers only could enjoy the benefits from VCSPs other partners. The competency program is designed to give you, the resellers, the VARs, a badge. In that way, you will be recognized with a badge. You will build a partner, expert network for your workload with another partners, and it will assist customer to identify the right partner to meet their specific requirements. Why competencies? As I mentioned earlier, partners are looking for a way to differentiate their Veeam offering. The badges will help to drive your organization revenue potential and as well to promote your skills and value within your team. Competencies are designed around customer needs and business problems. This makes the program relevant to customers. it will reward you lead generation, because it will be in our site, so customer can search by competency. I will show in the next slide. And of course, market recognition for resellers who scale up in Veeam solutions that should be assisted to grow revenue. And how it will be the competencies? The competencies will be specialized. For example, we will have competency for ransomware and disaster recovery. The competency will be help to the organizations to implement a transformation to detect special activities. You will have competency for public cloud protection. You will have competency for Microsoft Office 365, and you will have competencies for container protection. This is more for the custom. The Veeam Unified Directory is actually the find the partner. Now, any customer that will go to Veeam site can find you and look for partners that is suitable for his needs according to his specialized certifications. This is for all three partners type, for resellers, for VCSPs, and for VASP. Users are presented with 3 questions to help determine what they would like the partner to do. And then the returning user a search filter to get the right partner to contact. What you need to do in order to be there and to be in this search is to make sure in the portal that your profile is correct. And this is how it looks like in the portal, and you need to make sure that you put all the necessary information, so in the search you will be reached. Veeam certifications. As you remember, we have the sales VMSP training, and we have the pre-sales VMTSP training. It was until last year, it was one training to do. This year we are changing. Just a minute. Sorry. Okay. This year we are changing. It will be one sales foundation training that is mandatory. Then your sales guy or pre-sales guy will have to choose the right learning stream that he wishes to do to get the badge. For example, a sales foundation plus a cloud service provider training, or sales foundation with Microsoft Office 365 protection. Then, according to the training, you will get a badge, which is Veeam, VMSP, ransomware, and disaster recovery, for example. So the same for the pre-sales, it will be Sales Engineer Foundation, which is mandatory, and then to complete one of the learning streams. Of course, you can do more than one, but if you choose to be specialized to get a badge, this must be the one that you need. And also for the partner, to get the silver, gold, and platinum, you will require to do one of these specific stream that you choose. For example, if your company wants a badge of Microsoft Office 365, your sales and pre-sales need to do the VMSP and VMTSP of Office 365. Of course, we can help you later in our private calls and meetings to explain more about this. promotions and incentives in Q1. We share with you, and this is a reminder, this is a continuing promotion from last quarter, custom deregistration incentive. When you put until end of this quarter a deregistration that is approved for custom, you get plus 10% margin when the deal is closed. For example, you know that for deal registration you get 10% discount, you get 10% more when the deal is closed. So this is the time to find for new opportunities for custom and raise deal registrations. Salesforce promotions offer. As you all know, we announced just recently the backup for Salesforce. We are now we came with two options of packages for your customers. One, if you have a customer up to 300 Salesforce user licenses, the price is now $2,000 for a year, which is almost 20% discount. And we have another options for unlimited users. It will be $10,000 for a year annual. The requirement is to have all Salesforce user license. You cannot have 5K Salesforce users and only license 2K of them. You need all of them. But the price is very affordable, so this is the time to search for customers who are using Salesforce and promote it. Boost the deregistration incentive. This quarter, we have an incentive for deregistrations in general. If you place a deregistration during January, meaning we have a few days more, and it is approved, then you get 50, and the deal is closed by end of the quarter, you get 15% margin. So place deal registration, let us approve it, and close the deal by end of March, and you will get 15% deregistration discount. A silver level upgrade has never been this easy. For all the registered partners, this is for you. We have now opened a very easy to go to become silver partner. What you need? First is get certified. You need to pass one VMSP, the sales training, one technical training, Veeam TSP, by end of March. Second, close one deal when the minimum is at least $1,000 MSRP before end of March, and then you will be upgraded to silver. So very easy, one sales, one pre-sales training, a deal of minimum 1,000 MSRP, and you are upgraded to silver. Marketing Center tool. This is a reminder for you to use the tool. This is a free of charge tool, ready to use. You just need to choose what you want to promote, like email campaigns, landing page, banners, and just choose, put your logo, and it's ready to use. We have tracking tools. We have all you need here. Just use it and promote Veeam to your company. Upcoming partner events. On the 26th of January, we'll have the Global ProPartner briefing, which is the V12 preview, only for partners. You will hear all about the V12 before customers. The date is 26th of January. You have the link to, you will get the presentation, you have the link to register. And on the 14th of February, we have the V12 launch event. Again, please register and hear all about this event. Also, please share with your customers. That's it from my side. Thank you very much for joining the call, for listening, and see you soon.